Alright everybody, I'm going to do a quick tutorial here on how to enable the comment section on your YouTube videos, because I've noticed some of my younger, newer YouTubers that want to start creating more are not doing that. I'm going to do this step by step from your Windows dashboard. If you don't have Windows, it's fine. They work the same way. All you got to do is come down, open whatever browser you're using, go to your channel. I have all my stuff linked already from where I'm going. Just go straight to YouTube, go to your channel, your YouTube channel. From here, I'm going to pause my channel trailer there real quick. Now from here, you always have this sidebar, especially if you're on a computer. You simply go to your videos right here. And we're going to use my tutorial walkthrough right here. Go to your details of your video. The details are where it's at. This is where you choose your thumbnail, your description, all that good stuff. Now, you're not done. There's a few more steps. If this is enabled, yes, it's made for kids. This is going to stop you from being able to have comments on your videos for one reason. If it is age appropriate, that means people won't be commenting on it because you're just there for the video. When you say age appropriate, usually it's for these moms and dads who have YouTube up that are showing little cartoons and kid videos like Coco Melon to their little toddlers. Yes, it's made for kids. There's no need to comment on a video like that. So therefore, they don't do it. If you click no, it's not made for kids. Age restriction? Yes, you can always advise age restriction. I simply say no, don't restrict my videos to viewers over 18 only. Or you can say yes, restrict my viewers to viewers over 18. I really don't see why they do it that way. I think this is so YouTube doesn't get sued for not protecting kids from bad content, which I respect a lot. But that's all it is. You simply say, no, it's not made for kids, and that opens up the ability for people to comment on your videos. Super straightforward and super easy. And then you can come down here, press show more, and this is where you can do tags, licensing, and all that stuff. There's just more stuff down here when you say show more. But for this particular video, it is flat out, no, it's not made for kids, to enable the ability for people to comment on your videos. Straightforward, to the point, short and sweet. Mr. Chrome for the win.